And we both are twins. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that whenever we upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. So make sure you watch the entire video.
So there'll be two teams, Team Red and Team Blue. From Team Red, we are going to run, and from Team Blue, they are going to run. And there'll be two cheerkeepers, Anisha and Mani.
So the rules of this game is that each team has to write this entire story, if possible, in 3 minutes in a really beautiful handwriting. And you know who is the judge for this challenge?
Hi everybody, I'm Navita Gopani and judge for this. All the best, kiddos!
Thank you! So let's get started!
Are you ready?
Yes!
1, 2, 3.
Start. Yes. Wow, good going.
Yeah, that's true.
And the time is over.
Nobody finished.
Yes. Okay, let's decide that. Okay, drop your pencils. Yes. Okay. Let me.
Oh my God.
Come on, everybody. Yes. Wow. Great.
Mama,
Show what you have done. Come on close.
oh my gosh, I'm scared. I just got this new handwriting. I also.
It was very difficult for me to judge as all the four were very nice. But after looking for a longer time, you can see both the handwritings are very nice. Both have written almost the same. So I cannot judge one, so it becomes a tie between red and blue. So still the blue team has 3 points and the red 0. They need to open their accounts soon.
So I like this challenge very much. I was really having lots of fun seeing what they're writing, what they're doing. And I hope you guys liked it, and also please comment down below what other videos you want us to do. And remember to hit the red subscribe button, and thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye. Hey guys.
Huh?
What's me?
That's nothing.
That was a good day.
Let's stop.
So before we go, I want to just